Here's a little bit about me. Over the past 30 years, I've written 4 books on experimental textiles processes and techniques, teaching you how to layer up processes. I've written and developed many courses, all based around experimental textile processes. I've delivered them all over the world: India, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, England, Ireland, Scotland, Wales, and now I live in Ireland. I now teach online. So I have a video library and membership that students can join. And we just have fun learning through play. I teach you how to develop techniques and processes that are your own. You don't copy any of my own work because I don't show you my own work. So we work through all different kinds of processes: layering beads, bondweb, Tyvek, all manner of things. Have a look at the workshop page on this website and get some more ideas about my teaching, and see if you fancy come along and playing with me. Learning through play is the best way to learn.